In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify a number in Twilio. Whether you're setting up a personal project or gearing up for business communications, verifying your phone number in Twilio is an essential step to ensure everything runs smoothly. Let's dive in and walk through the process together. First, you'll want to open the Twilio Console. This is the main hub where you will carry out the verification, so head there through your browser and make sure you're logged in with your Twilio account details. Once you're in the console, navigate over to the Verified Caller IDs section. This area is specifically dedicated to the management of numbers you can use as your outgoing caller ID. It's designed to provide a secure way for you to authenticate the numbers you want to use. Now you'll notice an option to add a new number. Click on the Add a New Caller ID button. At this point, a prompt will appear asking you to enter the phone number you wish to verify. Make sure you enter the number correctly, because Twilio will use this number to send an essential verification code as the next step. Next, you'll be presented with a couple of options for the verification process. Twilio offers a flexible approach here by allowing you to choose between two methods to receive your verification code. You can either opt to receive a voice call, where Twilio will call your phone and provide you with a code, or you can go with the SMS option, where they send the code directly to your phone via text message. Think about what would be more convenient for you, or perhaps more practical for your current situation, and select the method that suits you best. Once you've received your code, whether it's via the voice call or through SMS, you'll need to go back to your Twilio console to confirm it. Enter the received code into the designated area in the console. This code is crucial as it confirms the phone number you entered is indeed accessible by you. Successfully entering this code will complete the verification process. This simple yet secure verification procedure allows you to officially use that number as a verified outgoing caller ID through Twilio. You're now ready to make calls or send SMS from this verified number with the assurance that it's properly set up in your account. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully verified a number in Twilio.